Good morning, happy audition city day. It's like 9 in the morning and I'm at my parents' house because it's Easter. I just showered and then I was gonna get coffee after I have some auditions to do, but I'm gonna do it before because I need to get something to eat, and so I'm just gonna like tag team it. I didn't realize that I really need to get gas and I really don't have time to. So now I'm debating on whether I should get gas or not. Okay, hi. I literally just got $10 of gas, enough. Oh my God, the Red Bull truck is here. I only got enough gas to get me through town because I have some errands to run today after my audition, which is such a waste of gas because my family lives so far out of town that it's a chore. I get a large iced caramel latte with oat milk. Thank you so much. I just got home and I've got about 45 minutes, but I'm gonna set up everything right now so that I'm not scrambling to do it 10 minutes before the audition. I forgot to pack literally anything that I could have used to get ready today, like makeup wise and hair wise, so this is what they're getting. I actually feel like I'm gonna throw up. It went really well. I really liked the team and the project, so I immediately got off the Zoom call, left my parents' house because I just needed to get out of the house so I don't overthink it. Hi friends, it is 10 o'clock on Tuesday and I work at noon, so I'm on my way back to my apartment so I can get ready. Yesterday was such a good day. I had my family's Easter. We did like an adult Easter egg hunt. It was super fun. But now I'm in a really weird mood because this time last year, I feel like has been like the best moment of my life I'd say probably from April until August of last year was just amazing. And my life is amazing now, but it just feels so stagnant because during that time last year I was putting in the work and taking the steps to get to where I am now, and now that I got there, I kind of am at a standstill. Working out for the first time in a while because I forgot how good it makes me feel. Today was like an embarrassing day. I woke up with like genuinely 5 minutes to spare before I had to leave. I kept hitting snooze, and that was a conscious decision I kept making. And then I had like a certification test at work just to because they take making coffee very seriously, and they want everyone who works there to be certified in making drinks. That means like we can steam milk to temperature without thermometers, and we can dial in the espresso and everything. And so I've been doing this for 7 years, right? Like this is, like I've been doing this for a long time. And this morning when I was doing my test, I don't know what the fuck was happening, but it got so bad that the person giving the test, like in the one proctoring, she was like, okay, do you want to just maybe practice for a little bit before we get into it? I don't know. I've been in a weird place for a while. So I'm literally so overwhelmed that I can't even get out of my car, and I keep scrolling on Instagram Reels, and then that makes me worse, and then I spend more time in here, and then I feel worse about how much time I've spent in my car and not doing something productive.
Universe has a crazy way of knocking some fucking sense into you after you're a big, sad, dramatic bitch baby for an hour in your car after work, and you are just not getting out of your car because you have so much to do and you're so overwhelmed and you'd rather sit in your car and scroll on Instagram Reels. I was, obviously, as you saw, going through it, and I was even going through it about stuff that I didn't share in that little excerpt, in that little clip, just, you know, about the state of my life and how I'm living in a city I don't want to be living in anymore, working on a job I don't want to be working at anymore, going to school for something I don't want to be going to school for anymore, stuff like that, the usual, right? I'm part of a modeling agency now, a modeling and talent agency. They also represent actors. I'm feeling a little bit better. I still need to go through all of the logistics of it.